Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm your girl Meeshee as always. Today we are going to try how to put on lashes. This is more of beginner friendly. So these lashes, I got them from Jumia. In case you didn't watch my Jumia haul video, kindly go and watch it. I'm going ahead to comb my lashes with that curb brush. So in this video I'm using a duo lash glue. This is not the original duo lash glue, but it's really working best. This is the one with the white line, but when it dries off it becomes clear, so it does a perfect job. So I'm going ahead to just put the lash glue first to identify the lash where which eye actually it's supposed to go to, and then I'm going ahead to apply the glue on that lash. Make sure you apply the glue on the lash band. Don't mind my lashes because I had used them before, and that's why they have like the red thingy. I'm going to just blow some air on it to let it dry a little bit, and so that the glue can be a little bit sticky, and when I'm placing it on my eyes it's a bit sticky and it can stick. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do at the moment. So when you're applying your lashes, you should have a mirror that is down, and you make sure you look down on the mirror, and then you put the lash next to your original lashes and my best way of doing it, I usually put it first on the middle and then I end up adjusting it to the right place. I feel like it's almost next to my natural lashes. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, to just adjust it until it feels comfortable and sits well for me. Don't fear to remove and adjust it, because your goal is to make it feel comfortable and for it to sit well next to your lashes. And then I go ahead and just squeeze it in to settle as it dries. In case you don't feel it has sat well, just feel free to remove and pull it up and just drag it down as the way I'm doing it, and until you just feel it has settled on your eyes nicely and okay for you. That's my end result. I'm also going to just use the same method for the other eye, and yeah. don't fear to readjust it again and again and again until it sits where you feel it's comfortable. And then I'm going ahead again with the same brush that I used to comb my lashes before, to just merge them together as I'm combing them through. You can also use mascara on this, but I just prefer to do it without mascara for at least a good work, and I don't want to feel it's a bit heavy on my eyes and bulky. So that's how I prefer it. I just went ahead to just comb it through, yeah, and that's it. And tara, the end result, it's that. So kindly comment what you feel about it, and in case you try it, kindly comment, and in case you feel I need to redo it again, let me know. I'll use a more better simple method, but for me this has been working for me the best way. Yeah, so in case you like this kind of video, kindly don't forget to like, share, and give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend my videos to many more people. I'm loving the results. Bye.